We're here to teach you how to make a NoSQL database using AWS. So as you can see, I'm already logged in to my AWS account. We're going to go down here and we're going to select on DynamoDB, which is our NoSQL database. We're going to click on Create a Table. This comes up and we're going to create a table name, so we're going to just call it Music. And we're going to have a partitioning name called Artists. Then we're going to add a sort key. We're going to do it by song title. And then we'll scroll down and we'll hit create. And this just takes a minute, but we are creating the table. All right, now as we can see, we have our table created called music. And now it's time for us to add some items to that table. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit here and click create item. And then we're going to enter in a song artist or an artist title, as well as the name of the song for that particular artist. So if you'll bear with me, we have and then we just hit save. And as we can see, like, we've got a song title here with the artist, and then we're going to hit create another item. So we're going to add a couple more items similar to this one, so that we have multiple titles that we can query later. All right, and then we are going to select another. This time we're going to put in a different name of a band. Okay, so as you can see, we've made roughly about 5 artists or 5 song titles with 2 different artists. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this from scan to query, and it's going to give us a little window here that will allow us to use our partitioning key. And what we're going to do here is we're going to type in, say, an artist name, and we can come down here and hit start search, and as we can see, the only 3 titles that pop up are those of the artists that we actually searched. We can take this a step further and say that this begins with, we can say the letter O. So Linkin Park with songs that begin with the letter O, and it returns the one song that we have. We can also come back over here and go to our other artist, and we can even leave the same letter in there, which will return nothing because there aren't any songs from that artist that start with that letter. And then if we were to remove that constraint, it would return both songs that we entered in here. All right, so now what we can do is we can go back to items. We can remove this constraint. We can go back to just a scan. All right, so as we can see, like, we have all 5 of our songs listed here with our 2 different artists. And what we're going to do now is show you how to delete an item. So we have this song right here. We're going to select it or highlight it. We're going to go to actions, and we're just going to simply hit delete. It's going to ask us if we're sure we want to delete it. We get yes. And as you can see, that is gone. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to delete the entire table, and we simply just come over here to Actions, hit the drop-down menu, and go to Delete Table. It will ask you if we want to delete all CloudWatch alarms for this table as well, and we will hit Delete. And as we sit here and wait just a minute, then the table will delete all the items that we added as well as the table itself. Now, depending on the number of elements that you actually have in your table will determine how long it actually takes to delete your table. The more you have, the longer it takes. And as you can see, our DynamoDB has been fully deleted, and we have essentially just learned how to manage our very first NoSQL database. Thanks for watching. My name is Robert Barber, and have a great day.